Hi, my name is Mike. I am one of the directors of Food Envy in Glue, and we are in Food Envy's office and production kitchen today. Food Envy is Wellington's multi-award winning caterer. We cater all around the Wellington region. We also wholesale and service our sibling company, Glue, just a block away, and everything happens from our head office here and our production kitchen just inside. Sustainability is actually one of our company values. So sustainability to us is more than just decarbonisation. It's actually making sure that the industry, the company, and everything as a whole is sustainable. And we're trying not to greenwash it. We're trying to understand a little bit more about sustainability and how it actually impacts our business. But it's brand new. We moved in 2020, and that was designed from scratch. Our office has all LED lighting, and then that flows all the way down through the kitchen as well, and our entire premise. Try and save as much energy as possible. One of the hard ones is refrigeration and freezers. Those obviously can't be turned off, but we do work quite closely with our fridgies. They send us reports, and every time they do maintenance, they check for any leaks, any coolant leaks, and they try and use environmentally sustainable refrigerants as well. We've also put in a plastic curtain. This is actually to save on energy. When the freezer is being constantly opened and closed, we're losing a lot of energy. So we've actually made the effort to put in another curtain, another barrier, and save some energy here. These hot boxes here, these are actually really useful. It's a passive hot box. It just keeps heat really well. So it actually saves us on power, saves us on costs right there. We can take this to site, keep everything warm and hot. We don't actually need to use the power on site. This is our lockup sheet. So this is the office lockup to make sure that everything is turned off. This is our kitchen lockup to make sure that everything that isn't in use is turned off. And afterwards, we'll make sure that whoever's done it signs it off to add a little accountability there. Glue is an offshoot from Food Envy. We opened it January 2024. We specialized in high-end pastries and specialty coffee, and we have plans to convert that into a wine bar in the evenings as well. We've designed it to be as efficient as possible. The green wall that we have here, this is one of 2 living green walls in Wellington. It's self-watering. Everything is pumped in, watered down through the wall behind. It drips down, all of this gets repumped. Glue is actually pure electricity, so we don't have any gas down there, so we use induction, but we also use some grill plates. There isn't as much heat loss like there is to gas. Induction is a lot more efficient. It directly heats the food that we're cooking with as well. You can control the temperature to way more accuracy rather than gas, and so you get a lot less energy loss as well. So induction is a lot more sustainable. We've got 1 deep fryer. We've actually just downsized our griddle as well to a smaller grill, save power there, be a bit more efficient. All the lights you see, we've got some LED strip lighting. Heating was a big exercise for us, especially knowing how big the space is. It was really important trying to find the most energy efficient way. Before this, there was a big open grill above our space and made the space impossible to heat. So we spoke to our electricians, a few actually energy save guys as well, how to actually heat the space efficiently. So we've put down right in the middle a strip of radiant heaters. All of these heaters are run on a timer. It actually tracks with temperature, so it actually tries to heat the space as efficiently as possible. Next steps for us is trying to understand our output a little bit more, financial sustainability, economic, and also sustainability. We're looking at a few initiatives like low carb, trying to understand what are some measurable outputs and measurable practices that we can actually implement, as well as actually see some of that return for us as well. And sustainability can be quite daunting if we don't understand it, but with initiatives like low carb, it means that we can actually practice it, implement it in baby steps, and also actually understand it along the way as well.